Hey guys, today we'll talk about simple and reliable trading strategy on pocket option. Learn how to trade without risk and make stable profits. I share proven methods for beginners. Stay until the end, all the secrets and nuances are ahead, so let's go! Today I propose to trade without stress, calm trading on a real account with a huge amount, but we will still control the balance. And we will use the initial deal of $50. This we will go along a small ladder. If our trade turns out to be unprofitable, then we simply open an overlap trade and take profit. You can use 2-3 steps, no more, because if you open large sums, you may lose everything at once. Therefore, take this point into account and you should have a fairly good balance for such overlaps. So today we have simple trading using support and resistance levels, as well as a little technical analysis. Let's get started right away. Let's work, for example, with this asset. Despite the fact that the situation here is generally incomprehensible, we are on a 5-second time frame. To begin with, we switch to the higher time frame of 5 minutes and begin setting our levels. That is, we do this in order to identify turning points. Initially, we determine the price trend. Here it is upward. We see a local minimum at this point, and again a local minimum which is higher than the previous one. That is, there is an increase. But as you can see, we do not have such an increase in levels. It is the resistance levels, that is the local maximum, that are not updated. The price is at the same level. The last support level was touched at this point. We see the shadow of the candles from below, and we also see the price moving upward. There is a certain amount of buying pressure here. We also see that we are experiencing a rollback in this area. In fact, here we see that the price is moving in the side channel. Of course, it's not so strong here. She broke through it almost immediately, but there is a return. The price again touches the resistance level, and again the price breaks through this support level. The price is approaching an ascending level, and from our level there is already a movement. That is, here we have a triangle. I hope that our price will continue to go up in this channel. The channel is narrowing, which indicates buying pressure and rapid upward movement of the price. Therefore, now at this point we switch to 1 minute time frame and open a position for 1 minute for $50. We open at this point and just wait for the result. I want to show you how simple technical analysis can be. As you can see, I set all these levels before your eyes, determine the price trend, and boldly open a deal for $50. The invoice is real, you can verify this, that is, everything is as detailed as possible, and we are waiting for the result. So friend, the first transaction, and here we immediately receive a refund. What do we do in this case? We are reopening for shopping. I will explain why. We have now switched to a lower time frame, and here we see this movement and also this candle shadow. What does this movement say? That is, here we had a corrective movement after an upward trend, but our green candle completely overlaps the red one. Further, we see a slight attenuation and continuation of the trend. Here again, there is a pullback, and on this pullback we simply reopen to buy. And this is the kind of movement we are getting now. I hope that the remaining 30 seconds will be enough to close in profit. We'll wait. So friend, the deal has come to an end. Here we have correctly identified the turning point after the corrective movement. Well, here in fact is the result. Next we move on to the next asset. Let's go in order. Here we open a 5-minute time frame and analyze it again. I think the situation will probably be more clear to you. Here we obviously have a support level. Here we have a resistance level. Now we see how the price moves in this side channel. What are we doing? We look at the movements that were present at the support level. Almost everywhere the price is trying to break through this level. But we also see pullback candles here. That is, the shadows are below. This again speaks to buyer pressure. And here is the last movement, a huge shadow from below. Next we see a sharp upward impulse. The price reaches this zone, an intermediate mark, and from this zone we have a huge downward red candle. the price has approached this zone. Now we are seeing a reverse movement where the candle is on top, so there will be a breakout here. I open it here and wait for the result again. So friends, well, here we have now stumbled open specific corrective movement. What are we doing? Our price, you see, has gone up. 2 trades in the opposite direction, again for 1 minute, and we are waiting for the result. So here we get a plus with you. We cover our losing trade. Well, look, initially our price, when we opened a downward trade with you, we opened with you at the lowest point, and that is the price needed to adjust. So it went up from the support level. But already at the top point, we put the squeeze on this price and it went down. And here we made a profit. I think we made a very interesting video today. We looked at 2 good situations with you. I hope you liked everything, so don't forget to like and subscribe to channel. Thank you all guys for watching. See you.